Welcome, folks. This is Seb here, and today we're checking out the perfect city e-scooter SO4 Pro GT from SoFlow. Are you ready? First things first, don't toss that box. It might just come in handy down the road for service trips. Now let's unveil the SO4 Pro GT. Lift the top gently, open the middle cover, clear out the inserts, and set the toolbox aside. What treasures await? Inside the toolbox, you've got the manual, charger, tools, pump, wire clamps, datasheet, and a SoFlow gift card. Dive into that manual. It's your roadmap. And please don't forget the gift card. Time to build your ride. Slide that down tube until it clicks, lock the foldable system, and secure it with the lever. Align the steering head, then secure it with 4 screws using the Allen key, including 2 wire clamps. Precision is key, folks. Charging time. Connect the charger with the arrow symbol facing up. And if the indicator turns red, you're on the right track. You can also replace the battery. Press and hold both the left and right turning signals along with the brake. When you hear a beep, the battery lid will automatically pop open. Lift up the battery lid to remove the battery. You can check the battery level by pressing the button on the battery. You can either replace the battery or charge it directly. After charging, place the fully charged battery back into the battery lid. When closing the cover, don't forget to push the cover inward slightly. Before you hit the road, make sure to peel off that label on the display. Power up your ride by holding the power button. Now let's explore the cockpit. Switch the light on or off with a quick press of the power button. Change between different drive modes by double tapping the power button. Switch between miles and kilometers by triple tapping the power button. Notify other drivers by using the left and right indicators. Give a honk for a dash of safety. And a smile from Seb. Crank up the speed by twisting that throttle. Before you roll, fine-tune that disc brake. Hold the left signal button for 8 seconds to activate the Apple Find My function. In the Find My app, select and connect your scooter by pressing the Add Item button. Then you can always locate your scooter. Remotely activate the honk sound on the scooter, help you locate it more easily. We also have the Samsung SmartThings function. Press and hold the left signal button for 8 seconds until you hear a beep. Open Samsung SmartThings. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select Add Device. Tap Scan Nearby, and then select SO4 Pro GT when it pops up. Check Use of Location information, then tap Agree. Wait until you hear 2 beeps. Then double-click the left signal button to complete the connection. Click View Map to see where your scooter is located. Then click Ring, and the left and right turn signals will start flashing while the horn sounds to help you locate your scooter. Open the SoFlow app, enter a name, password, and the verification code located at the bottom of the scooter frame, and you'll be all set to connect to your ride. Extra perks, switch modes, and customize your ride. Navigate hassle-free with the app. Set your destination, hit start, and follow the on-screen and on-scooter directions. Lock the scooter by pressing and holding the lock symbol in the app. Push the scooter in lock mode, and the alarm will serve as your alert system. For quick locking, unlocking, place your phone on the steering head. Before the ride, ensure the tire has the right pressure. Use the SoFlow pump or your handy tool. Keep those tires in check. Pump it up. Ensure your tires are at the right pressure with the SoFlow pump. Set it, connect it, and watch that pressure rise to 36 psi. A gentle reminder, don't skimp on tire pressure. It's the key to a smooth ride. To adjust the rear air suspension on the scooter, you'll need a high-pressure pump capable of 0 to 300 psi. Locate the valve near the rear suspension and use the pump to increase air pressure for a firmer ride or release air for a softer suspension. After adjusting, test the ride to ensure comfort and refer to the manual for recommended pressure levels. If you want to carry your scooter, fold it up, secure it, and you've got yourself a portable vehicle. You're all set to roll on your SO4 Pro GT. Take it easy, enjoy the ride, and remember, no need to rush. Ride on.